If you're thinking about investing in AfterSell, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, we'll dive into the top 7 things you should consider before pulling the trigger. AfterSell promises to help businesses increase their average order value and optimize sales. But is it the right fit for you? Stick around to find out, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make an informed choice. Plus, if you're new to the software, you can even try it for free through the first link in the description below. First off, let's talk about what AfterSell actually does. It's designed to help Shopify stores increase revenue through post-purchase upsell and cross-sell offers. But what makes it different from other upsell apps? Well, compared to competitors like CartHook or Bold Upsell, AfterSell offers more streamlined and customizable options, particularly when it comes to how you present your offers after a purchase. While some apps are limited in customization, AfterSell lets you personalize your offers to fit your store's branding and customer journey, which is a big plus if you're serious about boosting your conversion rates. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. AfterSell makes it incredibly easy to set up. You don't need any technical knowledge, and you can start seeing results within minutes of installation. This is a huge advantage for store owners who might be hesitant about tech-heavy tools. In comparison, other upsell apps can require more complex setups and don't offer the same user-friendly interface. If you're looking for something that integrates seamlessly into your Shopify store with minimal effort, AfterSell is definitely worth considering. The third thing you need to know is pricing. AfterSell operates on a subscription model, and while it isn't the cheapest upsell tool on the market, it does offer value for the money. When you compare it to similar tools, it can be on the higher end of the price spectrum, but the features you get, especially the advanced analytics and automation tools, make it a solid investment. Keep in mind, though, that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and you'll need to weigh whether the pricing fits within your business budget. The fourth thing is AfterSell's post-purchase offer options. Unlike some of its competitors, AfterSell allows you to offer upsells after the customer has already made their initial purchase, rather than bombarding them at checkout. This can lead to higher conversion rates because it doesn't disrupt the buying process, and customers are often more willing to add items after they've committed. The ability to target relevant upsells based on the products customers have already purchased is a key feature that sets it apart from other apps. Next, let's talk about AfterSell's automation. One of its strongest features is the ability to set up automated post-purchase offers that can run in the background. These automated offers can be customized to appear under specific conditions, such as when a customer buys a certain product or reaches a spending threshold. This automation makes it easier to optimize your store without constant intervention. Compared to other apps that might require manual intervention for each upsell, this level of automation is a real time saver. Now let's look at AfterSell's customer support. In our experience, AfterSell offers excellent customer service with quick response times and a dedicated team that knows the platform inside and out. If you run into any issues or have questions about the software, you can count on receiving professional, knowledgeable assistance. This level of support might be a deciding factor if you've had bad experiences with other apps, where customer service wasn't as responsive or helpful. The seventh and final thing to keep in mind is AfterSell's reporting and analytics. With AfterSell, you get detailed insights into how your upsell campaigns are performing. You can track conversion rates, total revenue generated from upsells, and other metrics that help you optimize your sales strategy. This level of detailed reporting is something that's often lacking in similar apps, where analytics tend to be more generalized or harder to access. To wrap it up, AfterSell is a solid option for Shopify store owners looking to boost their average order value through post-purchase upsells and cross-sells. While it might not be the cheapest option on the market, its features, ease of use, automation, and customer support make it a top contender for anyone serious about scaling their store. If you want to try AfterSell yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to get an exclusive free trial and some extra perks.